Here at Armstrong Relocation, we work to make every move effortless while providing full service to keep our customers top of mind. Our services include residential moving, commercial moving, and logistics and warehousing. Armstrong's history extends 3 generations of going above and beyond. We've got extensive experience moving both offices and families. We know you want your belongings cared for the same way you would care for them. We bring our family mentally to every service. If it's important to you, it's important to us. We enjoy servicing Wisconsin and look forward to future opportunities to service our community.
Dobbs Peterbilt is thankful for the opportunity to do business with M34, an agent for Armstrong Relocation. We look forward to continuing to provide the Dobbs value experience.